Let there be light. Good morning again. How are we? As you can see, we've now got lightage in here, which is fantabulous. So that's nice. They got all this done yesterday, and we now have a kettle in the office. And we do only have the lights, and that's for the fridge, but we just keep unplugging the fridge. Have ourselves a nice coffee. That's done. As you've seen, that one is up on the ramps because that needs a little bit of work doing to it. See a little bit. We have started moving a few vans about because that van was there. There was a red van that's now up there somewhere. This van now needs to go by there. That van was where that red van is. But this thing won't move because the battery's completely dead. So we've just had to stick it up on charge so we can get this thing moved. Lots of moving, lots of sorting. And I don't know if you've seen in the background at any point. It's a lot clearer up round there. Gibbous wore a bit of a clean. They moved the big doghouse sign that was there. And that now goes pride of place on that wall. Also, got my little plaque up there too. So, as you've seen in the last video, this is my little area. Nice and dirty. Oh, don't say it's in my cup. Damn it. As you can see, looking loads better. So I think the plan is for today, run the white paint, or grey, whatever you want to call it, all the way up there. And I might try and get this thing down off the jack stands, move it forward and do behind that wall as well. And then it'll be nice and fresh in here. That is the plan, but we're just waiting for this van to charge. Also, hello Dynamo.
Hello.
What's your plan for today, Mr. Day?
Yeah, do some cutting. Hopefully, get this side done today. Another side tomorrow.
Was it just step and seal?
Maybe we'll see how it goes. It's a bit bubbly here, so we might need to. Sounds like concrete. Yeah.
Yeah,
That's the plan for today. And I just had the van coming this morning for windscreen and about the same stuff, really.
Oh, what, the surround of the windscreen?
Well, windscreen got to come out. So it sounds like a project.
Sounds like a bit of fun. So Dai's got his work cut out with that one and other ones, and all the vans apparently needing welding at the minute. And this thing is stuck here. Well, at least she managed to start. Because the red van that was there is going to be going over the pit. Because it makes the job that is getting done a lot easier. John should be here in a minute. I think that's his job for the day. Busy old day today. So yeah, we're going to carry on having a little bit more of a move around, a sort out and a coffee. And once things have moved around a little bit more, I'll pick you guys back up again. How cool does this look? Proper cool. Well, there we go, coffee's all done. A few more bits moved about. Mr. Dai's making all kinds of mess. This thing, it's got some filler in it.
Ah. See the weld?
Yeah.
Every 2 days cutting all out. Somebody actually, well, try fully weld that. Like. And what's that? They weld this here. I can't be as clean as fucking fella now. But see the weld?
Oh yeah.
And they went down there.
Nice.
You know how much work is to fully weld all that instead of just
Do it like
do it
factory.
like, yeah. Just bang a seal and pop couple spot welds.
And then fill it up with filler.
Yeah.
You can literally see every individual weld.
Yeah, it's fully welded.
Wow.
Yeah.
You got your time cut out.
Fun.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, they're black.
Wow.
Di's literally been doing this like 2 minutes. So you're having fun today?
Yep.
Why don't you come over to get my headphones? Have fun, Di.
Thank you.
So that's what Di's up to. Mr. John.
John changed some injectors today.
Injector boy.
Injector. And a little bit of an oil leak.
Injectors and an oil leak.
And a remap.
And a remap.
Same again tomorrow, different van.
This is the van from a couple of weeks ago you've probably seen at the 5th gear mod. Yeah, that's this van. Injectors, oil leak, remap. That's going to keep Mr. John out of trouble.
Yeah. How you doing?
My job, paint that wall. So I'm thinking if I can get this bit of wall painted up to about there, then this van can move forward and then I can do that last little bit. And then pretty much all this side's done then. That's technically the plan. So that's what I'm going to get up to. Anyway, busy old day in the shop. We're going to get this done, see you in a sec. Well, I done an absolute terrible job of filming the other day. And as you can probably see from the background, quite a lot has changed. This van's here, which wasn't here. There's an engine there. This van's in here. Oil heater. A high top's in here getting some work. There's loads changed. And the reason why I didn't do much filming, this whole wall from back there, all the way along, all the way down, but onto that bit of wall there. That's all been painted. And doesn't that look better? This thing's down off the floor, or down onto the floor, because obviously we had to move it to get in behind. So that needs to go back up on jack stands. And I will be putting up on 4 jack stands this time, not just the 2. That's going to be part of my job. High top's in it because the diesel filter decided to stop being a diesel filter. So John's just changing that because it needs doing, so I kept cutting out. But I'm going to crack on with doing this, get this thing up in the air, and then we'll see what else is getting done. So wish me luck. Well, there we go. There's that done. She's now completely up off the floor on jack stands, and now I can work underneath it because there's something I need to do to the rear arms, and being up in the air would be a lot better, and that weird angle is just weird. So at least now she's off the floor and she can get worked on all the way round. Fun and games. Also, check out my new light. John gave me that. Wasn't that nice of him? And talking of John, Yuri Tez.
Yes, put another cam belt on, another engine.
Once again with a Relegate Master.
Yeah.
So this thing is getting some love. And John is the one loving it.
Yeah.
Again. Zwam. So John's going to carry on doing the timing and then rebuild the front, radiator, bumper, etc, etc. And then I'm guessing she's done.
Hopefully.
And Mr. Di has been working on this. And as you can see, wings off. He's done the arch and the step and the seal. So Mr. Di has been nice and busy with all this. Making it not rusty no more.
Yeah, for the bit.
Is it just this side that needs doing?
No.
Oh, cool.
Thank you, don't you
Tell you what, I'll scrap down your van, move all that junk out of the way, fed up with him and his rubbish in front of my office.
What fucking rubbish? Where's the rubbish? Where's the rubbish?
Look at him, messy, dirty, poor.
Hey, because I'm tight, I try fucking reuse every single one.
You're making my pretty office look bad.
Aha.
So yeah, that's all nice and done. Does have to do t'other side. Don't think a step needs doing on this one. Nope. And then this side. So that should keep him out of trouble for 5 minutes. Wishful thinking. This van, you've probably seen this van. It's been in here a bit. But that is in here for a bit more. Not too sure what. She's better. They fixed it. But I'm going to carry on with this because these plates that you see me make before, which are my new shock mounts, these need to be cut. Because if you remember, I made these so that they fit back and forth like that. Let's see if I can get the light to work. But now I just need to cut the sides. So that side's already been marked, as you can just about see there. You take a wheel off, get the other side cut, or marked at least, so then we can cut them. You do them on both sides. And then that's part of the shock mount made. There is a few more bits that need to go along with it because it's getting slightly different to the mounts that were on it before. Anyway, I'm going to get these wheels off and start to get this thing a little bit more forwarder than it was. This thing's up proper eye. Anyway, let's get these wheels off. Alright, so let's try and show you what I was meaning. So you can see that's in line with the chassis, all but. There you go. Then you come around this side and mark it up again. But what we're gonna do, oh come on, grow up. Right, there's that done. I have, just for the sake of taking an Instagram picture, I have just taken a wheel off just to get a cool Instagram picture. Because that looks quite wild. So he's still cracking on with that, bless him. John's just popped to the shop to get him some snacks. And I, somehow, have to get into the back of here. Because I need to get my front shocks out. And I'm not too sure where the hell they are. So I've got to rummage around in the back of here somewhere to get my shocks out. Carpet for the front. I've obviously got front bumpers. I've got a spare set of door cards. My dash. Wow, I've got some rubbish in here. Ah, another mirror because that one's broke. But more importantly, I've got to try and figure out how I'm going to get in here and get my shocks. I ain't getting down there. Alright, I'm going to go rummaging. I need to get them bolted in. Because then that way we can mark where they're going to be sat. And then we can mark it on them plates. So we actually know where they're going to be sat. So, front shocks time. Partially. Well, as you can see, I managed to get the plates out. I took the shocks off the plates. And these, not them, these are the Shane's plates. If you haven't already seen, these take over the original shock mounts or top plates. These are the ones that you get from Scarface Lowriders. I obviously have two. Probably going up for sale soon, I would have thought. In case you're wondering what that noise is, there's a diesel heater. We're just testing it at the minute. And there is, you can't actually see it, but there is an exhaust. Oh, I might as well show. There's an exhaust coming out the back and going out the door. Just testing this thing for heat. Nice and warm. But me, oh, I'm going to be putting the shocks on it just so we can mount where the shock actually sits. That's my plan. Got a nice white wall. Get that all done. John's just finishing off that van there. There's not much more left to do on that. And then that van will be diddly done. Busy. But I'm going to hopefully do this while balancing you. In fact, hang on. Well, it's currently the next morning and I completely forgot to end the video yesterday. As you can see, this van, which you will see in the next video, but this van's pretty much done. My van is exactly how it left off, which is exactly how the next video is going to pick up. But I forgot to finish off a video yesterday. Anyway, I'm going to get gone. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you for putting up with our mask. And as always, take it easy.